Yeah, that's fantastic. What about, wood making makes you happy?
Just creating something that, like I started off with pallet wood because, it's kind of free. It is free, but it's a lot of work that goes into it,
It's readily
ma-
available.
of making it pretty and whatnot. And that's how I took it as stepping stone of learning. Then it got to the point where I'm like, got $40,000 of fucking equipment in my garage now. That's a full ass wood shop. Like I just dove into it that quickly in like 2 years.
Wow.
Yeah. If you
That
liked it, go hard in whatever you like.